Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add speaker notes here in Adobe Express. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Express, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding speaker notes to your presentation, even working in Adobe Express, can enhance your delivery and improve audience engagement. Now, if you are using a different template, you might want to switch to another one because this template that I have chosen to work with doesn't have the ability to click the present button and add the presentation notes. All right, so let's hover back again to the home page. And from here, all I have to do is click the presentation button here. It will forward you to the presentation template. And from here, you just have to select the template that you can start with. Remember that all those with the crown watermark, that means they are part of the premium feature. You can only access and use this without limitation or watermark if you subscribe to the premium plan. You can try it within the 30 days free trial because right now I'm using their free account. So let's avoid that and skip that and choose another one. For example, this right here. You can add as pages or start a new file. We're going to click this first option, which is add as pages. What will happen is it would be forwarded here. All right. Wait for it to load. So the complexity of the design is dependent on the loading time. Might want to, of course, put that in. And this is going to be key flaps. Right now, going to add maybe an outline. All right, so if you want to present this, all I have to do is click the present here, and if you want to add speaker notes, click the drop down menu here and you have the option to start presenting with presenter notes. All right, what will happen is you would be forwarded here in a separate video. You see, this is going to be the presenter window. You can control your presentation with this window, drag it to your laptop or secondary monitor that your audience will not see. All right, so do that. Here, you can add notes from this section. All right, so for example, you can manually type your notes here while the presentation is being shown. Right, click that. You see, these are going to be your slides. So you can type in your notes here while all these slides are being shown on the next monitor. All right. After that, if you want to exit the slideshow, just click on this button right here and you would be forwarded back to the ones you were once. All right, so that's one of the easiest way for you to add speaker notes in Adobe Express. Although it's not extensive as some of the software or application that you are using, but by keeping the slides concise and using notes for additional information, you're going to be able to maintain a clean design that's easy for the audience to follow. All right. Please take note that it lets you plan engaging questions or discussion points without overwhelming your slides. Using your presentation with collaborator can clarify your intended messaging and flow, because when sending the drafts to clients, speaker notes can explain the thought process behind each slide. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.